We're announcing Goldfield's newest addition to our product line. This is the Expedition with a jig combination. Completely portable unit. It's also completely water powered. There are 4 water motors that drive the various pieces of equipment on here. We have 2 water motors, one driving each walking beam on a quadplex 16-inch square cell jig. This gives us variable speed, and we can also adjust the stroke length independently on the first cell versus the second cell in line. We have a water manifold here that can accept either a 3-inch feed or a 4-inch line and can be fed from either side. Water requirements on this unit are about 200 to 250 gallons a minute at about 35 to 40 psi. We have 4 stabilizing jacks for leveling the machine and stabilizing it on uneven ground. There's also a removable heavy-duty tow hitch with a 2-inch coupling on it. The pitch of the double-deck screen is also adjustable with 2 linkages here. The hopper itself is static. You can put different size screens in here depending on your application and what's required. We treat the oversized material by washing it with dual spray bar. Depending on the type of material that you have, if you have a lot of clay, you can increase the pressure together with the agitation on the screens to help emulsify that clay and wash the oversized rock which come out this discharge chute. The middle fraction is collected into this smaller transition point right here. In this particular situation, we're set up for gold recovery, so the middle fraction, which would have the gold that's too large to pass through the smallest screen and yet is small enough to pass through the top screen, will enter in at this point and then be treated through the sluice. This is the discharge point of the quadplex jig. We're using 1/8-inch jig shot in here for fine gold recovery. You can see that we have 2 water motors with conrod linkages running each walking beam. They are perpendicular to the flow, which gives us a cross flow control, allowing us to be able to adjust the stroke length and frequency independent in line with the feed. Capacity of this unit will vary depending on your material, anywhere from 5 yards an hour to about 10. We also have another model of this without the jig, which is just a sluice recovery. The approximate weight of this unit is around 1,250 pounds.